Right, so let's create a quick character without even drawing it. So go to Google, now type Google Flow, click Google Flow. If you have already registered for free, click New Project. If you want their already available characters, but let's generate one ourselves. So I'm just going to type here very simple character, as you can see. And then I'm going to let it generate. It will take about a minute. Download this character. Okay, so after upscaling and downloading, I'm going to Inkscape. Okay, so I've got my image here. Go to Path and trace this bitmap. So I've deleted the original one, and now I don't need to do anything. If you remember the previous video, we had to separate by using a paint bucket. But with this one, I'm just going to export the way it is, and then I will do everything in Moho. Okay, so gonna type here traced image, traced boy. Make sure it is in SVG, either plain SVG or Inkscape. Okay, so this is my image now here. So this time I'm going to use paint from Moho. Okay, so if you click this image, you can see there are so many so many layers inside. So I'm just gonna use a paint bucket to paint inside this image. You can do this in Inkscape or you can do it in Moho. I found out that doing it in Moho is much more quicker because you're painting here and then you're making your adjustment on the same program. So what I'm doing here is just painting inside that traced image. Make sure you paint each part of the body. Okay, so here I'm going to lasso this image and then delete so that I can get the shoe with this way, and then I can just lasso around and delete all the points and make an adjustment for the shoe. I'm gonna make new layer and then paste the shoe inside. Now I need to draw the hair, but not actual drawing it, just painting inside the traced image, and Ctrl X, make new layer, and then Ctrl V to paste, and then just change the color for the hair later. Okay, just gonna lasso all these and then delete, we no longer need. Lasso the hand, Ctrl X, new layer, Ctrl V to paste it, a quick scaling and adjustment as well. Now I will be giving the name of everything. So this one is gonna be shoe. This is the face, new layer, and I will type head or face, depends what you want to write. I'm gonna create again this shape because when we paste it, the shape disappeared. Okay, let's change the color as well, a quick one, so that we can continue with the rest of the image. Give a name and OK. Right, let's go back to our original image. Lasso around. Let's get the shirt or the t-shirt, new layer, shirt, and Control V to paste it. Let's change the color as well and delete some of the points. Make some adjustment here. We will also need to delete the sleeves. So next I'm just going to repeat the same thing, like highlight, Control X, Control V, create new layer, and then you do Control V. So this is the hair, change the color to black. And that's it. We need to do this for every part of the body. I'm doing it the difficult way. However, in the next video, which I already have another video like that, I will show you that once we import image from Inkscape, everything is going to be separated into different layers. I will post the link to see the other video. The reason we are doing this adjustment because, you know, when we generate this image, we could see the boy standing, but he has his hands inside the pocket. In that situation, we can't get the clear clothes. So when we generate it, we need to, when we import it into Moho, we need to do these adjustments. Okay, so that is the end of the video. You can see that we did not draw this character. We generated from AI and then we just import it into Inkscape. Inkscape, we trace the image and then we import or export from Inkscape to import into Moho, and then I use paint bucket. Once I use paint bucket in each part of the body, then I create new vector layers, copy the image which I've created, like using the paint bucket by using Control X to cut and Control V to paste it. I've created many layers and give the names for those layers, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you've got any question, just let me know in the comment. Bye bye.